We need an answer choice that suggests that the population of pelicans may reduce. This says that rising temperatures are affecting some other regions, so this doesn't do much to suggest that why pelicans would not reduce in number. This talks about where pelicans are found, not found, quite irrelevant. This is interesting. The plants on which pelican feed, these plants are drying. So because of the lack of food, they may relocate. While they themselves can tolerate high temperatures, because they would not have food to eat, they may migrate to a place where there is food for them. This is a very fine weakening argument. Let's still look at D&D. This only strengthens the argument. It doesn't weaken. This says that they can survive everywhere, so this doesn't suggest that their population would reduce. C is the best choice.